Welcome to this self-confidence meditation. Today we will focus on rebuilding your inner strength and cultivating a sense of empowerment. This meditation is designed to help you reconnect with your personal power, a journey especially meaningful for those who have faced trauma. Let's begin by creating a safe and comfortable space where you can explore your inner world without judgment. Find a quiet place where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Adjust your position so that you can relax fully without any strain. Close your eyes gently. Take a deep breath in, slowly filling your lungs, and exhale fully, releasing any tension you might feel. Take a few more deep breaths, feeling more relaxed with each exhale. Visualize roots growing from the soles of your feet, extending deep into the earth. Feel the stability of the ground below you. With each breath, draw up strength from the earth. Feel grounded and secure, supported by the vast strength of the earth. Now imagine a warm, glowing light at the center of your chest. This light represents your inner strength and confidence. With each breath, see this light grow brighter and warmer. Feel its power spreading throughout your body. This light is your courage, your resilience, and your hope. As the light expands, bring to mind a recent situation where you felt small or unsure. Imagine handling that situation while filled with the light of confidence. See yourself speaking clearly, acting decisively, and standing strong. Hold this visualization for a few moments, experiencing the feelings of confidence and empowerment. Repeat the following affirmations to yourself, either aloud or in your mind, infusing them with the energy of the glowing light within you. I am worthy of respect and love. I possess strength and wisdom gained from my experiences. I trust my ability to rebuild and move forward. Every day I grow stronger and more confident. Allow these affirmations to resonate within you, echoing in the space of your mind, filling you with strength and self-belief. Visualize any doubts or fears as clouds around you. With each breath, blow these clouds away, clearing the sky of your mind. Watch them dissolve into the air, leaving clarity and brightness. Feel lighter, unburdened by these doubts. Take 3 deep, grounding breaths. Feel the support of the earth below and the space around you. Gently begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, stretch if you need to, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this sense of confidence with you as you move through your day. Remember, you have the power to rebuild your life, and with each step, you are becoming stronger.